question of exercise 8.3 is question number 4, and the question is, I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? So in this question, a particular amount has been taken or borrowed at the rate of 6% per annum for the 2 years. So it is given in the simple interest, so we have to find the simple interest. Then the question is asked, had I borrowed this much amount for the compound interest, that means we have to find the compound interest for that particular amount and the same rate with the same time. So the amount and the simple interest both we have to find. After that we have to find what is the difference between the SI and the CI, and what particular amount is the difference. So how many so for this we have to find the difference, the basic difference between the SI and the CI. So let's start the solution of the question number 4. The principal is given 12,000, rate is given 6% and the time is 2 years. So simply we have to find SI because it is asked. So P into R into T upon 100, P is given and we have to put all the values. Now 20 will be cut from here, 126 and 2 will be remaining here. So we have to find the product, and the product is 1440. Now it is given in the question, what is the amount if it is compounded annually. So when compounded annually, we have to find the compound interest, and for compound interest firstly we have to find the amount. So to find compound interest, amount has to be found. Amount is this is the formula of the amount. We have to put all the values. Now 6 and 100 will be divided by 2, so we get 3 and 50. Now 50 will be multiplied with 1 and added with 3, so it will become 53 upon 50. We have to write it 2 times. Now 0 and 0 will be cut from here. After that 5 will divide 120 by 24 times, so we get 24 into 53 into 53 upon 5. When we simplified it, multiplied and divide, we get 13,483.20. Now we have to find the simple interest, and the simple interest is the difference of amount minus principal. So the amount is that we get, and the principal was that 12,000. So after subtraction we get 1483.20. Okay, so this is the compound interest. Okay, the interest which is compounded annually, and the SI was rupees 1440. So as we can compare, the SI is greater than the CI, so we have to find the difference. So now the difference of the CI and the SI is 1483 minus 1440, we get 43.20. This is the amount which is the difference. So after that, thus the extra amount to be paid is rupees 43.20. In this question it is asked that what is the extra money he has to pay if the same situation is there but the compounded annually. The amount, rate and the time will be same. So what is the amount for the simple interest and for the compound interest, and what is the difference between both of them? So that is the difference between both of them. So if the same amount with the same time and the same rate has been taken compounded annually, so he has to pay 43.20 rupees extra. So that's all the solution of the question number 4.